The new Excel agent claims to beat McKinsey's best analyst 9 times out of 10. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Dewald. This is Tuesday, July 29th, 2025. First up, Fundamental Research Labs has rolled out Shortcut, an AI agent for Excel that stands toe-to-toe with analysts from industry giants McKinsey and Goldman. It's a powerhouse in financial modeling, making waves in the financial world. Next, we have a major update from Microsoft. Their Copilot mode on Edge isn't just a browser feature, it's a game-changing web tool. Scan tabs, make bookings, all with AI at its core. Meanwhile, China's bold AI roadmap places them in direct competition with the US, pushing tech companies to choose their alliances carefully. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Dewald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about Excel's AI capabilities in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.